Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into something that's changing the tech world as we know it. Unqork. Ever wondered what it is, why it's gaining so much attention, and how it could shape your future? Stick around, and I'll tell you all about it. Unqork is a no-code application platform that allows anyone to build complex software without writing a single line of code. Sounds cool, right? Imagine creating applications using a drag-and-drop interface, making development faster and more accessible. This isn't just for techies. Even if you're new to coding, you can build sophisticated applications. Now let's talk about the uses and benefits. With Unqork, you can develop applications for various industries, from finance to healthcare, without worrying about the nitty-gritty of coding. It's all about efficiency, cutting down development time, reducing costs, and minimizing errors. Plus, you can easily integrate with other systems and customize your applications to fit your exact needs. What does the future hold for Unqork? Expect it to become a cornerstone in the tech industry. More and more companies are adopting no-code platforms to stay competitive, and Unqork is leading the charge. This means high-paying job opportunities are on the rise. Big players like Goldman Sachs, Liberty Mutual, and the City of New York are already using Unqork technology. This trend is only going to grow, creating a demand for skilled professionals who can navigate and innovate with Unqork. Now let's talk future prospects. In a couple of years, the demand for Unqork developers in India is expected to skyrocket. Companies will be looking for talent, and packages will be highly attractive. Imagine landing a job that not only pays well, but also keeps you at the forefront of innovation. So, how can you get started? Go Live Classes offers online training to get you up to speed with Unqork. Whether you're a student or a professional looking to upskill, this is your chance to hop on the no-code bandwagon and secure a bright future. That's it for today's deep dive into Unqork. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And check out Go Live Classes for top-notch training programs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.